No matter if it's for a small business, a school project, or a side venture, creating a logo can be quick, creative, and doable on your own using Canva. Logos create first impressions and have a lasting impact. You don't need to be a design expert. Understanding basic principles and using a tool like Canva can help you create an impactful logo. The best logos are simple. Think one idea, one or two fonts, and 3 colors at most. Too many elements can confuse your audience. The best designs say the most with the least. To get started, open Canva and search for a logo. You can also pick a blank page or browse templates to get inspired. Don't get overwhelmed, just start. Add your business name or brand title. Choose a font that fits your vibe. Is it playful, bold, classy, whatever feels like you? Then drop in a simple icon or shape that connects with your brand or purpose. Pick 2 to 3 colors that work well together. Canva gives you palettes, or you can pull colors from an image. Keeping your colors consistent gives your logo a professional feel. When you're happy with your design, download it as a PNG file with a transparent background. This allows for seamless use across various platforms, websites, flyers, or even merchandise. And that's it. You just made a logo. No stress, no fancy software, just a clean design that tells a story. Now it's your turn. Open Canva, try it out, and have fun with it. Start simple and see what you can create.